Question. A solid consisting of a right circular cone of height is 12 centimeter. So we are having a right circular. So this is a cone whose height is at 12. So this two and this part is a 12 centimeter given, and whose radius. So if you are having a cone means we are having the radius, right? So whose radius is 6 centimeters standing on the hemisphere. So that cone is standing on the hemisphere, and hemisphere radius is 6 centimeters placed upright in a right circular cylinder. So inside the circular cylinder, it's depth, okay. So of water, full of water such that it's touched the bottom. So what they mention? So in the solid cylinder, we are having the full of water, and we depth the inside the cylinder. We are going to depth the hemisphere as well as the cone. Okay, the hemisphere as well as the cone is attached to one another. That's only they are telling, ma. And so that's touching to the bottom. So find the volume of the water displaced out of the cylinder. So if you're insiding the this object means it's containing that water place, right? So if you so how much water is displaced out? வெளியே எவ்வளோ வாட்டர் வந்துச்சு அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கேட்குறாங்க. வால்யூம் ஆஃப் வாட்டர் டிஸ்பிளேஸ்ட் அவுட் ஆஃப் த சிலிண்டர். If the cylinder, they given the cylinder radius is 6 centimeter and the height is 8 centimeter, ma. But in this place we don't need a cylinder value, we need, so volume of the displaced water is equal to volume of the cone, volume of the hemisphere, right? இப்போ நம்ம அந்த வாட்டர் கண்டெயின் ஆயிருக்க பிளேஸில் தான் என்ன பண்ணியிருந்தோம், நம்மளுடைய ஆப்ஜெக்டை வந்து இன்செர்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். ஸோ த வால்யூம் ஆஃப் த வாட்டர் displaced is equal to volume of the cone plus volume of the hemisphere. I can tell, right? So that's only they are given. Okay. So in this place you should draw the diagram. Okay. So what is the value? So they directly given the diagram, so no need to put the volume of the water displaced. Equal to what? Volume of cone. Volume of the cone plus volume of hemisphere. Okay. So then what they mentioned, the cone height is equal to 12 centimeter and whose radius is equal to 6 centimeter, ma. So hemisphere height is what? So hemisphere, they didn't ask her, radius is 6 centimeter. That's enough because I want to calculate this only. So what is the formula? Substitute in this place. So volume of the water displaced equal to volume of the cone. Formula is what? What is the volume of the cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h plus volume of the hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. So cubic units. Okay, this is the formula. So 1 by 3 into pi value is 22 by 7 into r square is 6 square into 12 plus 2 by 3 22 by 7 into 6 cube. Okay, so in this place we can write 1 by 3 22 by 7 6 into 6 into 12 equal to plus 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 6 into 6 into 6, ma. So anything is cancelled. 2 times, that's it, right? So 7 is not cancelling. So 22 into 2 44 44 into 44 6 12s are how much, ma? 6 12s are 72, right? So I can multiply 44 into 72. So 8 28, 8, 28, 8, 16, 3. So 3, 7, 6, 8 plus, so division of 7 plus 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 22, 88. And so this is 88. 2 2s are 4. 4 into 22, 88 more. 6 6 are 36. 8 6 are 48. So 4. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 4, 28. 8 2. Right? Oh. 8 16. 8 16 balance 1 10 11, right? Hey, this is also 316. I made a mistake. 3168 by 7. So both the term is equal, right? So 3168 denominator is common, I can directly add. So 12 13 3 6. So 6336 by 7. So if I calculate like this, dividing 63 for how many times? 9 times 3. So 0, 6. So 5 times 35. So 1. So put a point and 0, 1, then 7, then 3. 0, so 5, sorry 0, right? So 28 for 4 times, so 2, 0, 2 times 14, so it's no need, right? So 905.14. So this is a 2, so round of value is 4 only. What they mentioned, centimeter or that? So centimeter cube. That's it. This is the answer. Okay, so volume of the display. Volume of the displaced water is this. Then the fifth value, the fifth question. A capsule is in the shape of cylinder with 2 hemispheres stuck to each of its end. Okay, so how it is represented? So the first somehow we are having the same. So we are having a cylinder like this. So it's representing 2 hemisphere. That's it. So find out. That's when they're asking. If the length of the entire capsule is 12 millimeter. So total. Okay. And the diameter of the capsule is 3 millimeter. So diameter is 3. This total is 3 millimeter. Okay. How much medicine it can hold? So how much capacity it can hold? Okay. So we are having 2 hemisphere and 1 cylinder. So I need a volume. So volume of the capsule equal to volume of the cylinder plus volume of 2 times 2, right? So volume of hemisphere. Okay, so in this place what to do? So they're given the diameter. So cylinder we need a height as well as the, so radius equal to d by 2. What's the d in this place? 3. So by 2 millimeter. Height. So in this place 3 meter means first sum I already told, right? So obviously this place also 3 millimeter. This place also 3 millimeter. I need a cylinder height alone. So if I am reducing this 3 and this 3, 3 plus 3 6. It is equal to 12 minus 6. That's h is equal to 6 millimeter. This is for cylinder. Because in cylinder we need a h. And hemisphere So we know the radius equal to 3 by 2 millimeter. So directly you can do ma. Equal to, what's the formula? Volume of the cylinder. Volume of the cylinder is pi r square h plus 2 times of, they already mentioned, 2 times of volume of the hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r square, pi r cube cubic unit. So what to do in this place? So I can substitute 22 by 7 into r square, r in this place 3 by 2 whole square, h in this place 6 plus 2 into 2 by 3, 22 by 7. I made one mistake. So 3 is a diameter, right? So but what we have, 3 by 2, radius 3 by 2. So this also 3 by 2, this also 3 by 2. Correct? So addition of this 3 by 2 and 3 by 2. So what you are getting? 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 dama. So what you are getting? 12 minus 3 plus 3, 6 by 2. So cancelling this, 12 minus 3. So how much you are getting? 12 minus 3 is 9 millimeters. So in this place you are having a 9. Okay, in the h value only. Okay, so what we are getting? So this is wrong. Okay, so this and this cancel. So 11 we are having as it is. Okay. So this is 14 times. So this is 9 into 9, 81. Say 81 into 11, 1818. So 891. So how much we are getting? 891 by, this is how much? 14. Okay. Then what I am going to, this 3 and this 3 cancel. This 2 for 11 time. This 2 for 1 time. I need my denominators common, 14. So that's why I didn't cancel this 2 and this 2. So I am having 14 common, this and this. Now I can multiply. 9, 3 3s are 9. 9 into 11, 99 into 2. 18 balance 1, 198. Right? 98 by 14. So this much we are having. So 891, 198, so 918. So 1089 by 14. So now we can do like this. No? Then in 14 table, how many times? So 14 5s are 20. So 2, 5, 7. Then 14 6 are 24, 2, 8. 14 7, 8 2, 98. 14 8s are 32, 3, 8 and 1 2. So 14 table, so 1 is least value, 0 is also least value, 8. Okay, 10 also least, right? So I am taking 3 digits. So 3 digits I am comparing this place. So 7 times, right? So 7 times for how much? 98. So 8th time is 112. So it's not eligible. So 98. 8 is 0. 10 minus 9, 1. So I am putting a 9 downwards. So how many times? 109. So it's also least value. So I am getting again 7. So 109, 98 for 7 times. So balance how much? So 1 again and it's 9, 1. So put a point, getting a 0. How much? 98 again 7. Borrow, so 0 this and this, 2 1. Put a 0. 8 time 112 0, so 8. If you put the 0 also, we're having a 5 time, right? So we're having a 5 time for 70, sorry, 5 time for 70, so 10, 0, it's keep on moving. So what's the value is 77.785 millimeter cube. That's it. Okay.